Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
It's time. It's time to try this thing for the first ever ride. You guys saw we got started in the last video. I just put the cooling shrouds on. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing out and give it its first ride right now. I started this thing up a second ago. It sounds super good. Started at first kick. Dude, this thing better rip. That was the test. Feels like it's gonna rip. Shall we see? Oh man. It feels really good though. It feels really responsive though. Oh my god, that was the front forks. Oh my god, did you hear that? Damn, if you can hear that on the GoPro when I set down on the wheelie, you hear the forks smash super duper hard. That is literally the only reason why I want to run the disc brake. The stopping's not too bad on the drum brake, but it's the fact that you can't change these fork legs out, and these fork legs suck, dude. They bottom out so hard, and coming down on a wheelie when you're going fast and you bottom out suspension like that and it like skips, mad sketchy. So I want to be able to run nice aftermarket legs. That's why I need to do the disc front end. Thing rips. It pulled up wheelie super fast. Seat is so slippery. I literally was sliding off the back. Few things to do to it, but that's okay. That's why we got this whole video, boys. So we're gonna get to work. We're gonna not only put the bike together by the end of this video, dive in a little bit more on this thing, tuning it, and get a longer first ride in right now. I got a quick throttle on the way here to throw a quick throttle on here because this throttle is still kind of sticking. I found the problem was the track that holds the throttle cable in there was kind of bent out a little bit and it looked like it might have been rubbing. I can't wait to get the front end set up on this thing. Right there, we got a Prebug disc front wheel to throw on, and we got some Polini grips right here. Throw those bad boys on. Yeah, she's gonna look good. We got some parts in the mail, boys. We got some parts to grab out of the mail. Dust, bro. Told you guys what we got in here. We got ourselves a quick throttle and a few other goodies. A few things for the Bolt bike actually, and the red one. Got a little spark plug wrench because the big one I use on my Dios does not work on the ZUMA. It literally hits the frame. It was a pain in the ass to do the other day. So I'm gonna carry that in the seat. You never know. Shells for my stage 6 rollers. Quick throttle for the blue and white ZUMA. Some red and black grips right here for the new red ZUMA. I have to put this quick throttle on and see how it is, because I have another quick throttle from NCY, but big old needle bearing one. I'm not a fan of it. This one doesn't have the needle bearing in it, so it's the size of a regular throttle. Just has the fancy housing right here. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it yet, but we'll see right now. I'm a dumbass. I did not even look, bro. I forgot that the brake lever is hooked up. I never explained what I meant, but this brake lever is actually attached to the throttle housing. I completely spaced that because the bike I was messing with last time doing the NCY throttle was on the Derby, and the Derby has disc front, so it's separate, and my stroker is separate too, and I forgot that drum front would be the same because it doesn't have a reservoir. So we'll save that throttle housing for when I go disc front.
All right, boys, no quick throttle, but I want to test this thing out a little bit now. Just mess with the carb a little bit more rich, because it seemed like it was a little lean the first time. Damn, my hood is so close to that. Also, just put the E36 on the ground. I finished a few things on it the other day. Fixed the coolant, bled the coolant, hooked up the trans adapter for my soon-to-be drive shaft, and pretty much got everything ready now, so. Feels actually good right now.
Alright, it's been too long. I gotta see what this thing looks like with all the panels on. I gotta put the side panel on already.
R.I.P. the boys mop.
Hey, nice guy. Looking real nice out here today. I literally bought this just for the container, because Chuck has this like style oil container he carries with him. It's the best thing ever, because you literally just squeeze and it'll fill up an ounce, and it's exactly an ounce, instead of like the ones that are like the quick mix where it's like the big bottle. You have to like tilt it and then look back how much you poured at the line. This one just like you squeeze up, fill up an ounce, drop it in the tank.
Because we do not want this oil. Some Ecotech 2-cycle.
Literally order it just for the bottle. We got a special package here from the homie Andrew out in Taiwan with some special deal goods. We got clear front. Another clear front. Is this one of the license plate dudes? No way. I was gonna hit him up for one of these. Dude, this thing's the license plate bolt. I've seen these all over when I was in Asia. Yo, shout out Andrew. I'm for sure sending you some MOPBOYZ gear. We got a clear rear tail. So now, as you see these clear turn signals, so here's what they look like stock with the amber ones. You see them? Here's what they look like with the clear. But I'll put the new ones on that bike right there, so I'll have clears on there. I plan on building this thing really soon. So, and then I have clear rear turn signals. So now on the stroker piece, gonna have a clear rears that are gonna look so good, and also on that purple bike, clear rears, dude. They're gonna look so good. I'm about to put those on. I'm gonna go ahead and swap out those rears, and then probably throw on this side skirt and this one as well on this side, since I'm kind of done with the carb tuning. Here's what we're looking like. Clear tail swap, JDM low one-piece character of the license plate bolt, and the clear tails loaded in there. Looks so much better. Clear. We'll go ahead and try and these wants to clear too. Got the clear tails on the stroker piece, which I need to actually do some work to the stroker. Need to take this thing out. Last time I took it out, the fan exploded, and that was when I got the brand new Polini clutch. So I still haven't got time to tune it fully yet, but that's okay. We've been busy working on all the other projects, but soon gonna get to work back on the stroker piece. Got a few things I gotta do to that. I got a new rear shock fork, got new drop down front legs, but let's pull this thing out and let's upjet it real quick, and then let's finish up with this and go test it. But pretty much this thing's dial just needs to be upjetted. We were running a 110 main in it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a 114. Let's try 115 and see what happens. Could have swore I had a 114. Don't have any other Polini style pilots, so I might have to just run it with the 40. I would like probably a 42, but we'll see how she likes it. Now it's going to idle all the way. Dude, I hate this idle screw on this Polini carb with all my heart.
When did you get that? Just damn, dude, that thing's nice. Oh yeah, man. It's good for you, bro. It's running too rich. I didn't bring my screwdriver with me. I messed up. It's running way too rich right now. It's gargling. I wonder if I can hit the screw. See if we can lean it out a little bit with my fingertip. Sounds a little better. It's for sure running rich. It's running a little rich. Dude, you slide off the seat, man. I don't know how many times I gotta say it in this video. So sketchy though. You gun it, and you slide all the way off, and then you hit the brakes, you almost slide forward. It just picks up though. This thing's light, bro. The front end on this thing's so much lighter than the disc though, that's for sure. I'm almost out of gas too. It's 312. If I can hit it with my finger. We're seeing way better temps this time though. I want to see it rip to like 330, 325 and then cool right down to like 280, 275. It's like ripping right now though. And the steering, it seems a little loose up there because my front wheel seems like it's off now to the left. So a few things like that, but I'm gonna tell you this bike's done, dude. It's ready to go on a real ride. I can't really go on too serious of a ride right now because I don't have a plate on this one yet. So that's about all the riding we get to do for today on this thing right now.
Boys, I think that's gonna do it for the video on the ZUMA. I think we can consider this thing rideable now. First ride was clocked in on it today. Last time in the video we got the full thing built and pretty much ready to go. Today we were riding it, so I'm stoked on it. I like this thing a lot. I can't wait to put some more time in on it. Got a few things to do to this thing still, and a lot of the project is still on the way. I don't even care too much right now to get this thing finished because I still want to do so much to the front end. I pretty much just got this thing running and riding just for peace of mind. And then soon here we come with the whole front end build on this thing. So a lot to come with it. I hope you guys are stoked on it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video because you know we're coming in hot with the scooter content right now. That's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you boys in the next one.